Okay, so this is an OBDStar DC706. Now what this device does is it clones modules, namely body control modules, transmission modules, ECUs, and various other modules within the car, such as Ford Gen modules. So there's some of the oddball modules as well, which it will clone. The application list is expanding every week. There's over 1,000 units on here, and it's got full wiring diagrams, which I will show you. Wiring diagrams, jumper cables come inside the box, and everything is literally all within this unit. So let's have a look at what we get inside the box. Comes in a nice hard plastic carry case, and within the box we get an OBD cable. The OBD cable has a power input there, which is required for some applications. Obviously the actual power cable, a 7-inch tablet. Tablet obviously takes 12 volt power, but also has a USB-C connector. This connector is for the OBD cable and various other items, various other accessories, and you've got a USB there as well. It's an Android-based tablet, really nice rugged design, and a good quality screen. You also get, within the unit, your jumper pin-out cables. So these are this connects to the top of the device, and they're all labeled up, and depending on what the diagram on the device tells you, you can pin out. Now, when you're cloning a module, you don't require any soldering. It's all done via the actual plugs or the pins on the plug. And with the cables, as you'll see, with different plugs, you get various sizes of spade connector. So this will support all the sizes that you need, and obviously really easily labeled, and they just go into here. So very easy to configure. There's another accessory that comes with the unit. This is called a P004. There is another item called a P003, which is optional, which is required for some ECUs. But this will do most of your ECUs that you require. And as you see, it's got a couple of dip switches on there, and a few connectors that sometimes may need to be jumpered. Again, it tells you everything on the device. And this connects, it's got your 15-pin connector there, and then obviously got OBD on the other side. So let's have a little look at what is on the software and what it actually can do.